So let's start by downloading and installing all the required tools for our development. So first thing, let's go to the Laravel documentation and see what tools we need. So let's click the Laravel and let's go to the documentation. Then in the installation section, scroll down until we find the installing PHP and Laravel installer. So first thing we need PHP, then Composer and the Laravel installer. So we are not going to install any Laravel installer package or anything. We are going to start from the scratch. We don't need this. Then we need NPM and Node. So let's start with the PHP. For the PHP, I'm going to use WampServer. So let's type here google.com and let's type download WampServer and click the first link. Then click the download section. In here, instead of clicking this, just click the change log button and your download will start. So let's wait until the download starts. Okay, good, it's downloading. Now let's wait until it's finished. Okay, so the download has been finished. Now let's install our WAMP server. Let's double click. If you get an error like this, it means that the Visual C++ redistribution package is not installed in your PC. You have to install that also. And if you scroll down at the end of this installation, you will see Visual C++ package. Just click this last link which is provided in here and it will redirect you to this page. Scroll at the end of the page and select this Visual C++, the distribution runtime all in one. Click this one and it will bring you in this page. Then click the download button. Then select any server which is near to you. So let's click this one. Once it's downloaded, just extract it. Extract all. Just remember that these things that we are going to do, just we are doing it only one time. For other projects that if you install, you don't need to install them all the time. So let's click install all, run. Let's wait until the installation is finished. Okay, the installation is finished. Now let's continue with our WAMP installation. Click next, next again. Okay, our WAMP server has been installed successfully. Now let's close all of these and let's go to the next tool that we need to install the Laravel, which is the Composer. So let's download and install the Composer as well. So let's go to Google again and type here download Composer. Click the first link, then click download and run composer.exe. Open it and install this one as well. Install for all users. Next, in here, you have to select the PHP 8.3 version. Currently, by default, it's selected 8.0. We need 8.3 version. If the version is not listed in here, you can always click the browse button and choose your version from your C drive. So let's go to our C drive, the where we install the WAMP. Then you have to go to bin and PHP. Then in here you can see all the PHP versions listed here. So you have to choose 8.3 or a version which is above 8.3. So let's say I will choose 8.3. We will click open. Now again, let's click this one. Click next. Click next again and install. Next and finish. So our composer has been installed. Okay, so composer has been installed also. Now finally we need node and npm. So let's go to the Google again and type download node and npm. Enter, click this one, the first link, then click Windows installer. Now let's install this one also. Okay, so all the tools that we need is finished. Now we need to download our IDE, which we are going to use to edit our code. So for that, I am going to use VS Code. So in here, we can write down load VS Code as well. Now click the first link again as usual, then Windows. Let's wait until the download is finished. Install this one as well. And let's not run it now. Click finish. Okay, so all the tools, all everything that we need is finished. Now it's time for us to create our first Laravel project. So let's go to our WAMP folder, WAMP server folder inside our drive C in here and WAMP. Then you have to go to www. In here, you have to create your Laravel project. So you have to open the CMD from here, type CMD in the top bar, in the address bar, and in the CMD, you have to create a new Laravel project. You have to type composer create dash project, then Laravel slash Laravel, and finally your project name. So in my case, let's type e-commerce. Now press enter. Now it will download and install all the packages that we need for our project, and it will set up everything that is required. So let's wait until the download is finished. Okay, so our project is ready. Now let's open it in the VS Code. You can click open with code. If you did not found it in here, just click show more options and click open with code. Okay, our project has been opened. Now if we go inside our composer.json file, in here we can see that the Laravel version is 13. The first thing in here that we need to do is to install npm. So go to terminal and select new terminal. Then in your terminal, you have to type npm install to install all the required packages. Okay, let's open a command prompt in here. Now let's type again npm install, enter. Now let's wait. Okay, all the packages which are required has been installed. Now if we run, okay, let's cls clear everything. Now in our composer.json file, in here just you have to search for tail. In here we get this package Laravel slash build. We don't need it, and if we scroll, let's find it one more time. In here when we try to run composer run date, in here it will run this one also. So just remove this part of the code, php artisan fail dash dash timeout. Not, you don't have to change anything else, just remove this one. Okay, once we remove this change, save the changes, come back to the terminal, and in here run composer run dev, enter. Now let's wait. It will run for us. It will run php artisan serve, artisan queue listen, all the required command it will run. So let's click allow. Now our application is running, and if we click on, hold the control and click this link, it will open the browser and we can see our project. So this is how our project, and it's fully running.